When comparing two e-commerce platforms, it's essential to evaluate their features, pricing, customer reviews, and overall suitability for specific business needs. Both platforms offer tools to create websites for selling products, whether physical or digital, but the type of products being sold significantly impacts the choice between them. In terms of features, both platforms provide website building tools with templates and easy product addition and customization. However, for digital products, downloads, or subscriptions, one platform caters better due to its built-in features, eliminating the need for additional apps or subscriptions. Pricing is another critical aspect, with one platform offering a 14-day free trial and monthly plans ranging from $19 to $99, while the other provides a 3-day free trial in the first month for $1, with subsequent monthly plans between $21 and $23. The latter also charges transaction fees between 1% and 2%, whereas the former does not. Regardless of the plan, customer reviews are a vital consideration, providing insight into the platform's performance and user satisfaction. One platform scores 4.4 out of 5 stars with over 4,000 reviews, while the other has a score of 4 out of 5 stars with 50 reviews, indicating a significant difference in review volume and a slightly lower rating. Ultimately, the choice between these platforms depends on the specific needs of the business. For digital products, such as ebooks and courses, one platform is preferable due to its built-in features and lack of transaction fees. For physical products, the other platform is more suitable, with free trials available for both. Businesses can make informed decisions based on their unique requirements.